What if I told you the most powerful growth tool for your business is sitting right in front of you and you're not even using it? Yes, AI isn't just for tech companies or big brands anymore. And if you're a small business owner, ignoring it could actually be costing you money, time, and opportunities every single day. Now, I'm going to break down why AI, especially tools like ChatGPT, is no longer optional. I'll show you how small businesses are using it to boost productivity, simplify marketing, and stay ahead of the curve without needing to be a tech whiz. I've been fortunate to work with hundreds of business owners, and some of them thought AI was just a fad or it was too complicated for a business like theirs. But when they saw how they could use it to write emails, plan content, or streamline operation in minutes instead of hours, they were hooked. One client told me she saved over 5 hours a week just by using ChatGPT to help her with writing proposals and social media posts. Now, that's not hype, it's happening right now. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels and you're curious how to make AI actually work for your business, I have a free handout that shows you exactly how to pre-bake the oven and train ChatGPT to speak your brand's language. Make sure to download it and start using it today. Now, here's a dose of truth. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to support you. But a lot of small businesses are falling into two buckets. One, they're overwhelmed and they're ignoring it completely. Or the other, they're dabbling in it, but they're getting generic, robotic content that doesn't feel helpful. And that's not your fault. The marketing around AI, it makes it feel way more complicated than it actually is. So I'm excited to simplify it for you. You might think AI sounds like this nice to have, but here's what you're actually risking: wasting time on task AI can handle in mere seconds, losing leads to competitors who respond faster, maybe seem smarter, or they're more consistent, missing out on visibility and growth because you're stuck in admin work instead of strategy. And I do not want that for you. I completely understand that. I've been there, and I do not want that for you. Now, if this is hitting home and you're starting to realize AI could actually help simplify your business, then don't forget, I put together a handout to help you. It walks you through how to get ChatGPT to understand you, your brand, voice, and audience. It can help you take action, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Now, I want to paint a picture for you right now, a different picture. You wake up, check your email, and need to respond to a client inquiry. Instead of spending 20 minutes crafting the perfect message, because you got to start off with the blinking cursor. What if you open ChatGPT and you say, reply to this email in my brand voice, make it friendly and helpful, and include a follow-up call to action. Boom. Done in less than a minute. Or maybe you need content ideas for social media. You tell ChatGPT, I'm a personal stylist and I want 10 content ideas for this month that speak to busy moms over 40 who want to feel confident without spending hours shopping. And then you click enter. You now have a week's worth of content in 60 seconds or less. I know what you may be thinking. This isn't about outsourcing your personality or your creativity. It's about having a digital assistant who knows your tone, understands your goals, and helps you get back to what only you can do: serving your clients, growing your brand, and staying in your zone of genius. I want to leave you with this: AI is not a trend, it's a shift. And just like websites and social media, they've all changed how we do business. AI is changing the game again. The earlier you embrace it, the more prepared you'll be to lead, not just follow. Now, if you haven't grabbed the free handout that I've talked about, now's the time. Use that as a tool to have it walk you through exactly how to start customizing ChatGPT so you stop getting generic results and start getting content that sounds like you. It's as easy as just downloading. And if this information sparks something for you, make sure you click the subscribe button, but also send it to fellow small business owners or organization who could use a little encouragement. Until next time, take care and keep growing your business.